Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Excel Chapter 11 HOE Halloween. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So we move to the main project step. Total step is 28. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is start the Excel download and open the file name Exp22 Excel chapter 11 HOE Halloween. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Exp22 Excel chapter 11 HOE Halloween. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is the first column contains the first and last name of the store manager to facilitate future sorting by last name. You want to display the last name and the first name in the second column in cell B2 store manager worksheets and type the Lagrange and Gestants. Use the flash fill to complete the pattern down column B. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the store manager worksheet in cell B2. So copy the titles, go to the Excel worksheet and paste the title, press enter. Use the flash fill to complete the pattern down column B. So go to the home tabs and go to the editing groups and click the flash fill pattern column B. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is the worksheet contains the complete address in the third column. You will insert the separate street address, city, state and postal code into individual column and select the range C2 to C11 and next 2 to C11 and the convert text to column. Use the comma checkbox as the delimiter and deselect the other delimiter. Change the width of column C to 25 and width of column B to 30. So next select the range C2 to C11, copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range and press enter. And next use the comma checkbox as the delimiter and deselect the other delimiters. So go to the data tabs and go to the data tool groups and text to column, click next and next convert text to column and use the comma checkbox and next delimiter and deselect the other delimiter. And next change the width of column C to 25 and width of column D to 30. Next and click finish. And next change the width of column C to 25. Select the column C, right click and column width is type 25 and click OK. And next width of column D to 30. select the column D, width to 13, right click and column with this type 13 and click OK. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, now you want to separate the state abbreviation and zip code. Select the range E2 to E11 and convert the text to column. Deselect the delimiter and select the space delimiter. Do not import the column in cell F1 and apply the right horizontal alignment. So next question number 4 is, now you want to separate the state abbreviation and zip code. Select the range E2 to E11 and convert the text to column. Deselect the comma delimiter and select the space delimiter. Do not import the first column in cell F1 and apply the align right horizontal alignments. So copy the range E2 to E11 and go to the Excel worksheet and press enter, and next convert text to column. So go to the data tabs and go to the data tool groups and text to column, and next convert text to column. Click next and deselect the comma and select the space delimiter. And do not import the first column. Click next and click finish. And next in cell F1 and align right horizontal elements. So select the cell F1 and press enter. So next in cell F1 and apply the align right horizontal elements. So go to the home tabs and go to the alignment groups and align right. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, the state manager worksheet contain a list of managers. So the state manager worksheet contain the list of manager. You will combine the names using the text join function and display the state manager worksheet in cell D to insert the text join function to combine the name in the range A2 to C2 using the space delimiter and ignore the empty cell. Copy the function to the range D3 to D5. So next display the state manager worksheet. In cell D2 insert the text join function. So select the cell D2 and insert the text join function. Type is equal to and type the text join function. To combine the name in the range A2 to C2 and using the space delimiter and ignore the empty cell and copy the function to the range D3 to D5. So type inverted commas and next type to and A2 to C2. Close bracket and press enter. And next copy the function to the range D3 to D5. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, to improve the readability of the name, you will convert the text to upper and lower case in cell E2. Insert the proper function for the text combined in cell D2. Copy the function to the range E3 to E5. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell E2 and insert the proper function for the text combined contained in cell D2 and copy the function to the range E3 to E5. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell E2, type is equal to and type the proper function, select the cell D2, close bracket and press enter, and next copy the function to the range E3 to E5. So next E3 to E5. So question number 6 is complete, and we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, we move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, you want to extract the area code from the phone numbers in cell H2. Insert the left function to extract the first 3 characters from the phone number in cell G2 and copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So next, insert the left function in cell H2. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell H2. Insert the left function to extract the first 3 characters from the phone number in cell G2 and copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So go to the Excel worksheet and select the cell H2 and insert the left function, type is equal to and type the left function, select the cell G2 and 3, close bracket and press enter, copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So next, copy the function to the range H3 to H5. So question number 7 is complete, and we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, we move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, so next you will use the database worksheet. For the next several steps, you will set up criteria and output range, enter the criteria and then apply the filters, and next display the database worksheets. Go to the Excel worksheet and select the database worksheet and copy the range A2 to E2 and use the keep source column with the paste option to paste heading in cell G2, paste another, copy the heading in cell G9 in cell I3 and type the UT cell J3 and advanced filters and apply the setting to copy the record to another location using the data set in the range A2 to E52 and select the range G2 to K3 as the criteria range and select the range G9 to K9. So display the database worksheet and next copy the range A2 to E2, go to the Excel worksheet and press enter, go to the on test, go to the clipboard groups, click copy and use the keep source column with option in cell G2. G2 keep the source keep a source formatting, click OK. Paste another option to heading in starting in cell G9 and click paste. And next in cell I3 is type UT. Select the cell I3 is type UT and press enter. And next in cell J3 is type date and press enter. So